Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the chapter perimeter and area, and in this video we will solve some problem related to figure circle. I hope you have gone through the formulas of circle in the first video. So the first question we will attempt is find the circumference and area of a circle of radius 20 centimeter. Now here radius of the circle is given 20 centimeter. So circumference of the circle will be, the formula for circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So 2 into the value of pi we will take here 3.14. There are two values of pi. One is 3.14 and second is 22 by 7. Maximum we use this value. Okay, so we have written 2 into 3.14 into radius. The value of radius is 20. Now if you multiply it, the value will be 125.6 centimeter. After that we have to find area. So the area of circle is pi r square. That means 3.14 into 20 into 20. So when you solve it, the answer will be 1256 centimeter square. Hope this question is clear to you. Now next we will start. If the circumference of the circle exceeds its diameter by 30, then we have to find the radius of the circle. So what is given here? Circumference of the circle exceeds its diameter by 30. That means 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the circle, exceeds its diameter by 30. Since we know radius is half of diameter, so we can write 2 pi r is equal to 2r plus 30, or 2 pi r minus 2r is equal to 30. If we take 2r common, then what left? Pi minus 1 equal to 30. Now the value of pi we will take here is 22 by 7 minus 1 equal to 30, or 2r into, if you solve this, you will get 15 by 7 equal to 30, or r is equal to 30 into 7 by 2 into 15. 15 to the 30, this 2 cancel, so value of r is 7 centimeter. What is r? R is the radius of the circle. The question is, find the radius of the circle of whose area is 144 pi centimeter square. So what is given here? Area is 144 pi centimeter square. So we have to write like pi r square is equal to 144 pi. If we cancel pi, what we have left with? R square is equal to 144 and r is equal to root over 144, or it is 12 centimeter. The radius of this circle is 12 centimeter. Now we have to find circumference of this circle. So we know the formula of circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So we will write 2 into pi into r, or 2 into 22 by 7 into 12, or we can write the answer of this question will be 2 or into 12 into pi, that is 24 pi. Okay, as per this question, since area is given in pi, we can write the answer 24 pi. Now if you solve it, the answer will be 75.42 centimeter. A piece of wire is rebent in the shape of equilateral triangle of side 4.4 centimeter. This wire is rebent to form a circle. So find the radius and area of the circle. So in the question it is given that an equilateral triangle is there whose side is 4.4 centimeter. This wire is broken and rebent in the form of circle. So you have to find the radius and area of the circle. As you know, in equilateral triangle all the sides are of equal length. So first we will find perimeter of equilateral triangle. That means 3 into its side. The value of the side of equilateral triangle is 4.4. So we will get 13.2 centimeter. It is the perimeter of equilateral triangle. Since as per the question it is given perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to circumference of circle, because same wire is rebent into the form of a circle. Okay, so the length of this wire is same, so we can write 2 pi r is equal to 13.2, or r is equal to 13.2 by 2. Now since we can write pi as 22 by 7, so we can write here into 7 into 22 7. Now if you solve it, the value of radius you will get is 2.1 centimeter. This is the radius of the circle. Now what we have to find out? Area. So area of circle is pi r square, or 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1, or when you solve it you will get the answer 13.86 centimeter square. Next question is, the diameter of a circular park is 84 meter. On its outside there a 13.5 meter wide road. Find the cost of constructing the road at rupees 240 per meter square. So the question is given, a circular park is there. On its outside a 3.5 meter wide road is there. That means this one is 3.5 meter. What we have to find out? Find the cost of constructing this road. So for that, diameter is given 84 meter. So radius will be radius of circular park will be 84 by 2, that means 42 meter. That means from this point to here. Next, the radius of outer circle is 42 plus 3.5. Why? Because this road is 3.5 meter wide. So it will be 45.5 meter. So area of this road will be area of outer circle minus area of this circular part. So we can write area of road is equal to area of outer circle minus area of circular part. That means the area of a circle formula is pi r square. So for outer circle it will be pi into 45.5 square minus pi into 42 square. So when you will solve it, you will get the answer 962.5 meter square. Here the value of pi you will take is 22 by 7. Okay. Now the area of road we have got. Now we have to find the cost of constructing the road. It will be 962.5. Now what is the cost? 240 per meter square into 240. When you will solve it, you will get the answer rupees 231,000. In the adjoining figure, this one, the area enclosed between the concentric circles is 770 centimeter square. If the radius of outer circle is 21 centimeter, calculate the radius of inner circle. So the area of the concentric circle is given 770 centimeter square. So radius is given 21 centimeter. That means area between the circles, as we can see there are two circles here. One is inner one and second is outer one. This area is given 770 centimeter square. This will be area of outer circle minus area of inner circle. So the value is given 770 centimeter square. The area of outer circle is pi into 21 square minus pi r square. The value of this radius we have to find, or we can write 770 is equal to, if we take pi common, and if we put the value of pi, it will be 22 by 7 into 21 square is 441 minus r square, or we can write 441 minus r square is equal to 770 into 7 by 22. When you will solve it, it will be 441 minus r square is equal to 245, or minus r square is equal to 245 minus 441, or minus r square is equal to minus 196, or r is equal to root over 196. It will be 14 centimeter. What is r? R is the radius of inner circle. Form a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. So you have to find the area of the remaining sheet. That means you can see in this figure, from this outer circle, two small circles are and one rectangle is removed. So you have to find the area of this shaded region. So what you will do, you will write area of shaded region equal to, what we will write first, area of outer circle minus area of rectangle minus area of first small circle I am talking about this one, minus area of second small circle. Now if you want, you can write these two as 2 into area of small circle. Okay, so it will be area of outer circle. We know the area of circle is pi r square, 22 by 7 into the radius we will take 14, so we have to write 14 into 14 minus area of rectangle is length into breadth. I have told you in the first video. So length is given 3, breadth is given 1, so it will be 3 into 1 minus area of first small circle. Since the radius of both the circles are same, so we can write 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 minus 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5. Since I have to write it two times, so it will be better to simply write 2 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 in place of this statement. So if you solve this one, you will get 616 minus 3 minus 38.5 minus 38.5. Now after solving this, the answer will be 536 centimeter square. This is the area of this shaded region. Now I hope this topic is clear to you. Practice for these questions or problems that we have solved now. Till then, thank you.